see something. It's definitely man-made. We finally found her.
There's something inside the cockpit.
If the logbook survived, this aircraft's story survived too.
Slow and steady. We only get one chance. We can't lift it until we reinforce the wings.
Now she's strong enough to come home.
Lower the primary lift cables.
All lifting points confirmed. She's free from the seabed.
Begin primary recovery to the surface.
Keep the ascent slow, we're almost there. Surface contact in 3, 2, 1. Welcome back, Project Phoenix.
The engine might actually be restorable.
Phase 1 is complete. Now the real work begins. Let's bring her back to life. Welcome home.
Now we'll discover every hidden weakness.
No guesswork, we'll rebuild it exactly as it was. Begin disassembly.
Initiating the core scan.
Borescope is entering the cylinder now. Pitting detected on the walls. Crankshaft looks clear.
Perfect fit, exactly as it left the factory. Now, we rebuild its heart.
Let's hear it breathe again.
Every bolt brings history back to life. Let's hear it breathe again.
The heart is back where it belongs. Tomorrow, she'll begin to look like an airplane again. She's finally getting her face back. Next, she'll wear her original colors once again. She looks exactly as she did on her first day. Now, it's time to make her fly again.
Project Phoenix is whole again. Take her to the runway.
She's ready.
She's ready.
Project Phoenix, you are cleared for takeoff. Flight Quad 5.
Welcome back, old friend.